Okay, so this is the video for this week. So every week, Roger pays for a movie ticket and a soda out of his allowance. So for a movie ticket, we can say it's M, and for soda, we can say it's S. And so last week, Roger's allowance was $8, and then the cost of the movie ticket was M was 20%. 20% is 1/5 of the difference between A and his soda. And the cost of his soda, which is S, is 5%. So that's 1/20, the percent of the difference between A and his movie ticket. So to the nearest whole percentage, what fraction of A did Roger pay for his movie ticket and soda? So if we substitute this S into this, then what we have is M equals 1/5 of A, which is his allowance, minus S, which is 1/20, A minus M, and then all in parentheses. So we want to find the fraction of A that he used to pay for his M plus S, M plus S over A. And that's kind of what we're trying to find. So if we first solve for M in terms of A, what we get is, so we'll first expand it. So what we have is, we'll first expand the inside. So we have 1/5 of A minus 1/20. So A over 20, and then plus M over 20. And then so this is 1/5 of 19A over 20 plus M over 20. And then all of that divided by 5. So that's 19A plus M plus 100. And then so that's 99 over 100. M equals 19A over 100. And then so M equals 19 over 99A. And then if we plug that if we plug this value of M into this, we can get S equals 1/20 of A minus 19 over 99A, and that's 1/20, 80 over 99A, and that's 4/99A. So S is equal to 49 over 99, and what we want to find is M plus S over A. So if we sum it up, we have 19 over 99A plus 4/99A over A, and that's 23/99. And what we want to find is to the nearest whole percentage. And so this is probably the closest to 23%.